All right, y'all, we're down here in South Louisiana. This is where I live, and we make po' boys down here. Sausage and cheese, peppers. It's gonna be real good. Po' boy, come on over here, show you how to make them. Boy, the po' boy started here, I don't know when, but years and years ago. We've been making them all our lives. They say Louisiana is the only place that can make this bread this way. A lot of it's got to do with the humidity. So this is the only real place you can get this kind of bread at. You can buy this in the store, really, or use whatever kind of bread you want. It don't matter, ain't nobody looking. All right, y'all about got these old peppers cut up. We'll go ahead and get them over here and throw them on the Blackstone, get them cooking. Oh, look at that. We're gonna keep this burner off, y'all. We're gonna move these peppers to the other side over here. Let them be cooking down some. Okay, y'all ready to talk about sausage? Louisiana got the best sausage, y'all. Any way you look at it, we make everything sausage. Alligator sausage, neutral sausage, any kind of sausage you can think of, it's here. This is regular smoked sausage. Y'all, I'm gonna cut this a little different than most of the time. You wanna cut it kind of thin, because you want this to really be easy to take a bite of. A lot of stuff you make with po' boy, if you put it too thick, it's just kind of hard to bite it, you know? And you want a little bit of everything in every bite. We'll go ahead and throw this on the griddle. Get it frying down a little bit. This is smoked sausage, y'all, so it's already cooked. Now what we're gonna do here, just spread it around, get it good and hot. We're gonna let this cook down a little bit. We're gonna be back in just a few minutes when it's time to add the cheese. All right, y'all, got the bread cut open. You don't cut it all the way through. Cut it about halfway, almost all the way through, so it'll open up. You want it to open up. And I'm gonna toast these, y'all. I like mine toasted. Some people don't, some people do. You can do it either way you want, but I like it that way. Okay, we're gonna move this all the way over. Look at that. Y'all notice we didn't have the burner on over here, and that was for a reason. Slide all that sausage to the cool side. We're gonna put some Cajun seasoning on it. You don't have to put it on sausage, because the sausage already got seasoning in it. I'm gonna put a good bit. Okay. A little steam. That steam does it, man. It gets all that flavor picked up and put on here. We ain't through yet though, y'all. Watch this. Put some cheese on here. Ooh, I like cheese. Now you use whatever kind you want. We're gonna use this Kobe Jack, and I love this cheese. We'll put one more just for the fun of it. We're gonna get our butter right here, y'all, because I want these things toasted up pretty good. Why I put so much on here? That's because I like butter. Y'all like butter? Okay, we're gonna set this down, y'all, and we're gonna grab our bread. See how it's cut? Not all the way. Now we're gonna get a little crisp on here. Y'all gotta be careful you don't rip it in half. And what I'm doing is getting a little bit of that butter and that seasoning's already on here. You can smell the peppers on here. Trying to get it all together. That bread will soak up all this flavor. We're gonna let that toast just a minute. We're gonna move this over so this cheese can start melting just a little bit faster. Hi y'all, we'll be back in just a minute. As soon as this is ooey and gooey, we're gonna do it. Let this bread cook down. Come back, it's gonna be great. All right, y'all, this is all looking good. It's all coming together, the cheese is melting. Hey, ain't be much longer, we'll be plating this up. We're gonna take this and cut it in 3 different sections, spread it open. So we have our po' boys kind of equal amount on each one. And now we're gonna bring it over to the table. Last but not least, we got this special sauce over here I just found, and it is super good on this. I will be buying more of this. All right, is that pretty or what, y'all? Yeah, when I was coming up, we didn't have the bread, and they went to the store every Saturday. When they come back with that po' boy bread, we know what was up. We was gonna have some kind of po' boys. Didn't know what. Could have been catfish, oyster po' boys, shrimp po' boys, anything you want on the po' boy. Sausage, and I love them. All right, y'all, I'm gonna keep eating. We're gonna see y'all later.
Tonight you're cooking with the